How to fix battery drain on Android. This tutorial shows you how to solve battery drain issues and get more life out of your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Battery to open the battery settings. From there, tap on Battery Saver and turn it on to limit background activity and reduce drain. At this point, go back to the battery page and tap on Usage since last full charge to see which apps are consuming the most power. In the next step, if you spot any app using an unusually high amount of battery, tap on it and select Restrict to limit its background usage. Following this, go back to the main settings page and tap on Apps. Once done, find any apps you don't use often, tap on them, and look for a battery option to set them to restricted. From here, go back to Settings and tap on Connections. At this stage, turn off any connections you're not using like Bluetooth, NFC, or location to prevent them from running in the background. After this, go back to Settings and tap on Display. Once completed, lower your screen brightness and reduce the screen timeout to the shortest option that's still comfortable for you. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to apply all the changes you've made. And that's it. If this battery drain guide helped you get more life out of your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.